Hey guys, this is our gorgeous Jackfruit Brisket Stew, served with perfect herby mash.
A hearty, warming meal that's delicious, super healthy, and full of natural goodness.
We've teamed up with Kallo to make this recipe. You may know them for their stock cubes, rice cakes, breadsticks, all that good stuff.
Now in this recipe we've used their wonderful organic vegetable stock cubes, which has added a wonderful flavour to this dish. Honestly, so good.
Kallo want to inspire more people to eat more plants, which is exactly what we're about. So we'll be bringing you more recipes with them in 2020.
We've used jackfruit in this recipe. These days you can find it in any big supermarket or online. It's super meaty and a great replacement for the beef you'd normally find in a brisket stew.
We've got loads of healthy veggies in there, so you'll be getting antioxidants and goodness into your body.
It's super warming and very filling and completely full of nutrients to put a spring in your step. Talk about delicious and nutritious.
We served our stew with mash because, let's face it, it's the ultimate comforting side dish. Our mash top tip: pour over cold water and wait for it to come to the boil rather than using a kettle with boiled water. It'll turn out much fluffier. We've also added some parsley and spring onions to pimp out that flavour.
Doesn't that look incredible? It truly is a delicious dish, and if you make it at home, let us know.
We hope you're going to love it. We're sure you're going to love it. See you next time.